Hello, good night. I decided to come and do a chicken soup tutorial. I'm making chicken soup from scratch because I'm a little bit under the weather. I have a cold, and everybody in my house pretty much has a little something going on. So here are the ingredients that we're going to use. Chicken bouillon, a cock, or you can use the chicken flavor grace flavor soup mix. In this bowl I have a tablespoon of salt and some allspice. I have some chicken that I had already washed and prepared. Here I have scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, some pumpkin cut up, some chocha, or they call this chayote, some carrot, some Irish potato, some corn, some garlic cloves, and some thyme. Some people put yam in theirs, and I also have my flour kneaded and ready to make my dumpling that I'm going to add in the soup. I'm going to come back and show you. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back again. Here on the stove I have probably about 5 cups of water boiling, and I'm going to go ahead to start the soup. I'm going to add in my some of my ingredients now, and some I will come back and show you after about 25 minutes. So in this I'm going to add my carrot, the chayote or chocho as we call it, and I'm going to add in the chicken that I have prepared, and I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the salt and the allspice, and I'm just going to let this boil for about 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you how to finish the soup. So this is the beginning process. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So the soup, well, some of the ingredients have been boiling now for about 30 to 35 minutes, which was the chicken, the chocho, the carrot, and the pumpkin. And the pumpkin has really boiled almost all the way out, and I had put 1 clove of garlic. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients to this and finish cooking it. So the scallion goes in now, the whole pepper, the last 2 cloves of garlic, the thyme, your corn, your Irish, and you can start adding in your small dumplings that I've made. I made some teeny dumplings to add in. Gotta take them off one by one. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll come back and show you once everything is finished. Anyway, I'm back again. I had to make another part. I wasn't planning on it until the end, but anyway, I had to come back because the time ran out. So I also added in, took that at this time to add in the cock, the whole pack goes in there, and the pack of chicken bouillon, and just let this boil. And I showed you all the ingredients that I added back inside now, and just let this boil up for about another 30 minutes, and everything should be done cooking, and your soup should be completely made. Usually you use a bigger pot than this. My pot is a little bit small, but I wasn't anticipating making this much soup. But anyway, it'll be eaten because, as I said, everybody in the house is a little bit under the weather. But anyway, I'll come back and show you the finished product in about 30 minutes. So stay tuned. Okay, here I am back again with the last and final video in the tutorial. The potatoes pretty much are cooked. If you go like that, you can see that they're pretty much cooked, and the dumplings should be boiled all the way through, and the carrots and everything is cooked. Chicken is finished cooking. So this should be about the consistency, because you want to have some broth for your soup, but you want to have all this richness to it too. See how rich and nice the soup is? This is all the chicken and all the ingredients that you put in before that have kind of, you know, broken down together and emulsified to make this beautiful rich pot of chicken noodle soup. Well, Jamaican style chicken soup, which is pretty rich and has a lot of food in there, and it's pretty hearty, sticks to the ribs. So anyway, I'm going to come back with a picture of the plate, but I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope that you try this yourself, and